Alright, so in this video, I'll show you how to play GTA 5 step by step in 2026. If you're completely new, don't worry. I'll keep it simple so you can jump straight into the game. Yeah, so let's get started. First, open the Rockstar Games launcher, or Steam, or Epic Games, depending on where you installed the game. Make sure you're signed in to your Rockstar Games account. Now launch GTA 5 by clicking the play button. The game will take a few seconds to load, so just wait for the intro screen. Once you're inside the main menu, you'll see different options like story mode and online mode. If you're a beginner, start with story mode first. Next, select story mode and let the game load. You'll be dropped into the main storyline where you can control characters and complete missions. To move your character, use the keyboard or controller. On PC, WSD keys are for used movement, and the mouse is used to look around and aim. Now follow the on-screen missions. These will guide you step by step on what to do next, like driving, shooting, or interacting with NPCs. As you progress, you'll earn money, unlock new missions, and explore the full map of Los Santos. If you want multiplayer later, you can switch to GTA Online from the main menu and play with other players around the world. And that's it. Now you know how to start playing GTA 5 step by step. Just take your time and enjoy the game. If this video helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy gaming guides like this. I'll see you in the next one.